Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Teacher Nicole. Okay, my name is Teacher Nicole. Again, what is my name? Good morning, teacher. Okay, very good. Okay, what is the weather today? It is sunny day, rainy day, or cloudy day? Cloudy day. Very good. Okay, before we start, let us sing the math song. Okay, listen to teacher. Sino nakakaalam sa kanta? M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H. Okay, ready? Everybody sing. Okay, stand up. Everybody sing. Stand up. 1, 2, ready, go. M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H. Mathematics, mathematics. Let us count the number. Let us count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 again. M-A-T-H, M-A-T-H. Mathematics, mathematics. Let us count the number. Let us count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10. Okay, everybody sit down. Okay, are you ready to listen? Anong gagawin kapag may magsasalita sa harap? Makikinig. Tapos, sasagot kapag may tanong si teacher. Okay po? Okay, now. Today, we will talk about number. What number is this? Number 9. Everybody say number 9. Again, 9. Okay, what number is this? Number 9, very good. So this is the number 9. And this is the, okay, read. Everybody read. What is this? 9. This is the word 9. Okay, sit down, EK. Again, Alea. Okay, this is the word 9. So the word 9 is start with the letter, what? Start with the letter. What letter is this? Letter only. Letter N. Everyone, letter N. Okay, so 9 is start with the letter N. Okay, everybody read 9. Again, 9. Maxine, read 9. Very good. Now, let us practice writing 9. Okay? Oh, listen kay teacher. Eyes on the board. Everybody. Maxine. Oh, eyes on the board. We will make number 9. Okay po? Okay. Makinig kay teacher. Make a little circle and then make a 9. Again. Little circle and then a line down. Kaya po? Okay. Lahat. Parang ice, may baba. Isang ice lang siya, no? Isang ice lang siya. Okay. Now, isa-isa po kayo magsusulat sa board. Lahat ng nakakasulat ng number 9, may star kay teacher. Tsaka, may bibigay si teacher na prize sa lahat na nakakasulat. Okay. First, si Alea. Okay, Alea, we make a number 9. Write number 9. Okay, little circle. Little circle, and then make a line down. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, next, Ivan. Come here, Alea. Come here. Very good, Alea. What's this? Ayusin natin. Make a letter circle. Okay. Letter circle. And then 9. Very good, Ivan. Oh, next, si Joaquin. Come here, Joaquin. Okay, little circle. Little circle. This one, little circle. And then, make a line down. Okay, very good, Joaquin. Oh, come here, Joaquin. Very good, Joaquin. Okay, AK. Okay, little circle. Make a line. Very good, AK. Very good. Next. Here. You have 3 stars. Very good. Okay, make a little circle. And then, very good. Next. Next. Little circle, ha? Little circle. Little circle. Follow the teacher. Little circle. And make a line. Done. Okay, very good. Now, let us spell. Okay, listen now. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Okay, listen. Let us spell the number, the word 9. Okay, spell natin yung 9. Everybody. Okay, everybody. Spell the number 9. Again, Maxine. Oh, okay, sabay-sabay. Ready? Go. Oh, read. Read. 9. Everyone. Okay, everybody read. Maxine. What number is this? 9. 8. Okay, Joaquin. What number is this, Joaquin? Joaquin. What number is this? Number 9. Okay. Ivan, what number is this? 9. Alea. What number is this? 9. Okay, I have here a crayon. Now, let us count how many crayons is this. Okay? Okay. Listen, Ivan. Hindi ko bibigyan ng prize mamaya. Yung mga hindi makikinig. Okay. Maxine, everyone, let us count how many crayons.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. How many crayons? 9 crayons. Very good. Now, let us make number 9 in our hands. Okay, use your hands. Okay, 9. Running 9. Running 9 sa hands. Okay. Maxine, 9. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, AK. Very good. Joaquin, 9. In your hands. 9. Oh, make a 9 using your hands. Okay, very good. Ivan, 9. That's a 9. Are you sure? Okay, very good. How about Alea? Alea, 9. Now, let us count 1, 2, 9. Okay. Using our hands, let us count 1 to 9. Oh, everybody. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Okay. Mabilis ka mag-count ng 9. Okay. Very good, AK. Mabilis si AK mag-count ng 9. Okay, later po, may papasagot si teacher sa inyo. Sasagutan niyo po ito, okay? Did you understand? Sasagutan niyo po ito. Una po, isusulat niyo po yung name. You will write your name. Did you understand? Write your name, ha? Next, kukulayan niyo po yung 9 balloons. How many balloons? 9. Very good. Kukulayan niyo po yan, ha? Anong kulay ng balloons? Any color po, ha? Okay, next. Yes, very good. And you color yung balloon. Pink. Okay, very good. Then next po, you will trace this one. Okay, listen na. You will trace the number 9. Okay, titrace na po yan ha. And then, titrace nyo din po yung word na 9. Okay? Okay, again. What number is this? 9. Again, everybody. 9. Pagod na kayo. Okay, next. Read. 9. Okay, spell. What letter? N. Very good. Hindi nakikinig si Joaquim. Okay, Joaquim. What letter is this? N. How about E? Sabi na E. Okay, very good. So now, may naiintindihan po ba kayo? Did you understand? You know how to write number 9 na? Ha? You know na? Alam nyo na paano masulat ng 9? May naiintindihan po ba? So, little circle. Very good, AK. Again, little circle and then make a line down. Okay, everyone na? Sige nga, very good naman si AK. Okay, very good. Okay, again, little circle and make a line down. Mabilis na. So, kaya na ito sagutan later. Okay? So, dahil dyan, bigyan natin ng very good clap ang bawat isa. Okay, paano yun? 1, 2, 3.